Hello and welcome back. Today, we're setting up appointment-based services on our website. In this video, we'll create an appointment service, add personnel, set their schedules, and display appointments on our site. Let's begin by creating an appointment service. Click Edit, navigate to your appointment services, and select Add New Appointment Service. Enter a title that describes the service, followed by a subtitle. In the description, provide an overview of what the appointment includes. Next, set the price and duration of the appointment. If the currency displayed isn't correct, don't worry. We can adjust it later in the store settings. Click on Add Image to upload a visual that represents the service. Now, let's assign a staff member to this appointment. Click Add Personnel and enter their name. You can also add a subtitle and description, but for now, we'll leave the description empty. To personalize it, click on Add Image and upload a photo of the staff member. Let's set their availability, scroll down to the schedule, adjust the dates and times, and click Add Time to create time slots. Repeat these steps for each available slot. Click Done to save. By default, this person is connected to the service. You also have the option to set a customized price for their appointments or disconnect them from the service if needed. Let's add another staff member. Click on Add Personnel, fill in their information, and set their schedule following the same steps. Now you'll be prompted to create an appointment page. We'll select Yes. Here's our appointment services page. We'll customize the layout shortly, but first, let's add more services. Click on Edit Appointments, then change content and select Add New Appointment Service. Enter the title, subtitle and description, set the price and duration, and upload an image. Now, let's add a new staff member. We'll follow these steps. Enter their name, subtitle, and description, upload an image, and fill in their schedule. We'll also connect this service to an existing staff member. Click Done to save. We've added more appointment services off camera and adjusted the subtitles for each service. Now let's refine the page design. Click Edit Appointments, then go to Styles. Click the template icon and select Grid Portrait. Now let's fine-tune the text styling. Open the Title section and click Title Styles to adjust the text size. Click Subtitle Styles to modify the color and size of the subtitle. We'll also increase the pricing font size and adjust the top margin for better spacing. We'll also convert the link into a button and customize its style to stand out. Now, we have an overview of all available appointments, but we also want to organize services by staff member for easier navigation. To do this, we'll create individual pages for each staff member. Let's go to Create. Under E-commerce, select Appointment and choose the side-by-side template. We'll give this page a title and disable the Add to Menu option. Right now, all appointments are displayed. Let's filter them. Click on Edit Appointments, then change content. In the drop-down, select Personnel, then choose the staff member. Now, only this person's services appear on this page. Let's edit the description to personalize this page further. We could also add a photo of the staff member below. The layout is flexible, so feel free to adjust it to match your preference. Now, let's duplicate this page for other staff members. Go to Create, then choose to reuse a page. Click on Copy this page to create a duplicate for Emma Bovary. On this new page, we'll update the content to display only Emma's services. Click on Edit Appointments, select Change Content, and assign it to Emma Bovary. We'll repeat these steps for the third person. To make it easier for customers to find the right stylist, we'll add a menu link at the top of the site. Scroll to the menu and click the pen icon next to the menu links. Select Change Content, then Add New Link. We'll name this menu Stylists and add the pages we just created. To organize it into a sub-menu, click the Stylists link, then drag and drop the individual staff pages beneath it. Now, customers can book appointments in two ways: from the main menu, where all treatments are listed, from the staff menu, where they can book with a specific professional. In the next video, we'll set up payment methods to complete the appointment booking process. See you there.